This is a keyboard. It's great for touch typing, but you need to use two hands and you need to place it somewhere. So the opposite of a keyboard, or the opposite of the board, is to disembark. So this is KeyDisembark. It has 5 buttons, and you type by pressing either one button or a combination of buttons to reach up to 31 combinations, which includes all the letters and a few extra special things. So for instance, I'll type a sentence. That is a sentence. You can delete by pressing and holding all 5 buttons, but normally a button is only registered when you release. Space is on the back. There's shift by pressing the top 4, which is the status is indicated with the LED, so then it capitalizes the next letter. Or you can press shift twice for caps lock, and then it'll keep caps lock. Press shift once more to go back to normal mode. Because our tendons are not fully independent, some key presses are awkward and slow to type. So I wrote a program to help me measure how fast each combination is. And I did this over and over to get like an idea of how fast each combination is. And then I mapped the letters that are common in English to be easy to type. So like E, T, O, and A are all common and they're easy to type. Some combinations, like both of these fingers, are easy to type, and so that's I, which is still fairly common. But a combination that's hard to do is pinky plus middle finger, and so that's X, which is uncommon. The downside to something like this is there's a learning curve. You have to memorize and commit to muscle memory all the combinations. It helps that there's a cheat sheet here, but you really need to kind of get this in muscle memory. So I also wrote a program to train you, and it chooses words to help you master the keys that you currently need to work on. So at first it gave me a hint for S and H because I hadn't seen them before, but then since I'd already seen H, it didn't give the hint yet until I waited 3 seconds. And it chooses, it gave me a hint there that I need a backspace. So I'll probably have to work on those letters some more, so it shows some similar. So it's probably detected that I've mastered S and H at this point, so I'll choose some new letters, in this case R, T, and D. Okay, so, and it will do that all the way up until you've mastered everything, even punctuation and Q. Alright, so that's KeyDisembark.